Climates of Earth. In the 1900s, a scientist by the name of Vladimir Köppen developed a system to classify climates, and he classified the climates according to two major factors, temperature and precipitation. The Köppen system identifies 6 main climate regions: tropical rainy, dry, temperate marine, temperate continental, polar, and the highlands. The tropics have 2 types of rainy climates, tropical wet and tropical wet and dry. Tropical wet climates have year-round heat and heavy rainfall. Dense forests grow in tropical wet climates. Rainforests are forests in which large amounts of rainfall year-round. Now, tropical wet and dry climates have less rainfall in a distinct dry and rainy season. Tropical grasslands called savannas are found in tropical wet and dry climates. Dry climates are located in areas where the amount of precipitation is less than the amount of water that could potentially evaporate. Dry climates are often found far from oceans or in the rain shadows of mountains. Dry climates include arid and semi-arid climates. Arid regions or deserts get less than 25 centimeters of rain every year. Deserts also have extreme hot and cold temperatures. Semi-arid regions or steppes are usually located on the edges of deserts. A steppe gets enough rainfall for short grass and low bushes to grow. Temperate marine climates are humid and have mild winters. There are 3 kinds of temperate marine climates: marine west coast, humid subtropical, and Mediterranean. Marine west coast climates are the coolest temperate marine climates. Humid ocean air brings cool, rainy summers and mild, rainy winters. Mediterranean climates are drier and warmer, and winter ocean air masses bring cool, rainy weather. Summers here are warmer and drier. Humid subtropical climates are wet and warm, but not as consistently hot as the tropics. Temperate continental climates are found only in continents in the northern hemisphere and include humid continental and subarctic. Humid continental climates have constantly changing weather. In the winter, the weather is bitterly cold with some rain or snow. Summers are hot with high humidity and moderate rainfall. The subarctic climates lie north of the humid continental climates. Here, summers are short and cool, whereas winters are long and bitterly cold. The polar climate is the coldest climate region and includes the ice cap and tundra climates. Ice cap and tundra climates are found only near the poles. Ice caps are covered with ice and snow, and temperatures are always at or below freezing. The tundra climate region stretches across northern Alaska, Canada, and Russia, and is identified as having short, cool summers followed by bitterly cold winters. Some layers of the tundra soil remain frozen year-round, and this is called permafrost. Now, we have learned that temperature falls as altitude increases. So highland regions are colder than the regions that surround them. Increasing altitude produces climate change, and this is similar to the climate change you would expect with increasing latitude. The climate on the lower slopes of a mountain range is like that of the surrounding countryside. So for instance, the foothills of the Rocky Mountains share the same semi-arid climate of the Great Plains. But as you go higher up into the mountains, temperatures become lower, and even so, the climate higher in the mountains is like that of the subarctic, having cool temperatures with coniferous trees. Then, above a certain elevation known as the tree line, there are no more trees that can grow here, and the climate here is like that of the tundra, with only low plants, mosses, and lichens that are able to grow here. Okay, that's it for this section. Let's take a break, and it's time for you to show what you know.